name is Funn Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Junior English Fun. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है हाउ टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश इन क्लासरूम विद फ्रेंड्स एंड टीचर। दोस्तों वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों मैं आ गया हूँ अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। In today's video, we will learn how to talk in English in classroom with friends and teacher. Useful English questions and answers for classroom, teacher and friends. How to talk to the teacher and madam. Question. May I come in, madam? Answer. Yes, you may come in. Good morning, madam. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. May I sit here, madam? Yes, you may sit here. May I drink water, madam? Yes, you may drink water. May I go to the washroom, madam? Yes, you may go. Can you please repeat, madam? Yes, I will repeat. I did not understand, madam. Okay, I will explain again. May I answer the question, madam? Yes, please answer. Is this answer correct? Madam, yes, it is correct. Madam, can you help me? Yes, I will help you. What is today's lesson, madam? Today's lesson is English. What is the homework, madam? Do page number 10. When is the test, madam? The test is tomorrow. May I open the window, madam? Yes, open the window. May I sharpen my pencil, madam? Yes, you may. Can I borrow a pen, madam? Yes, you can. Shall I clean the board, madam? Yes, please clean it. Madam, I am feeling sick. Okay, take rest. May I read, madam? Yes, read loudly. Can you check my notebook, madam? Yes, give it to me. What is the meaning of this word, madam? I will tell you. May I go home early, madam? Yes, with permission. Is this spelling right, madam? Yes, it is right. Can I ask a question, madam? Yes, ask. Thank you, madam. You are welcome. Sir, there is a wedding in my family. Oh, that's nice. Congratulations. Sir, my brother is getting married. That's great news. Sir, I would like to invite you to my brother's wedding. Thank you for the invitation. Friends, conversation. Question and answer. Question. What is your name? Answer. My name is Rahul. Which class are you in? I am in class 3. Can I sit with you? Yes, you can. Do you have an extra pen? Yes, take it. What is today's homework? English homework. Did you understand the lesson? Yes, I did. Can you help me with this question? Yes, I will help you. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Do you like drawing? Yes, I like drawing. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. Let us play together. Okay, let us play. May I borrow your eraser? Yes, here you are. When is the test? The test is on Monday. Have you done the homework? Yes, I have. What did Madam teach today? She taught English. Do you want to be my friend? Yes, I want to be your friend. What is your favorite cartoon? My favorite cartoon is Doraemon. Can we share lunch? Yes, let us share. Why were you absent yesterday? I was sick. Do you like our teacher? Yes, she is very kind. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Can you explain this sum? Yes, I will explain. Let us go to the playground. Okay, let us go. See you tomorrow. See you. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye, friends.